Have you ever wondered how many people actually see your tweets? Yes, you want to find out that information? Well, now you can. Let's roll the credits and let's get this show on the road. Hi guys, it's Alan Hennessy here, the digital mentor, and today I want to talk to you about another social media tip I have for you. And this is actually a new feature that has come on Twitter over the last couple of days, and it is a way for you to understand and to find out how many people have actually viewed and engaged with your tweets on Twitter. So let's transition straight over here to my Twitter feed and let me show you how you find out this information. Okay guys, so here we are in my Twitter feed, and as you can see, you have your basic tweets. You have all of your tweets here in front of you, and you can also see other people's tweets as well, which I will speak about in a minute. But for the purposes of this, I wanted to show you exactly what I'm talking about, how you can find out how many people have viewed your tweets. So it's a way of measuring your tweets. So as you can see here, I have a tweet that I put out about 21 hours ago, and on this is obviously my tweet, and then a nice image as well to go with it. And you can see down the bottom we have all the usual. 7 people loved it or liked it, 2 people retweeted it, 3 people commented on it. But over here, this is a new feature. You can see here it's views. So how many people have actually viewed? So you can see 251 have viewed this tweet. And likewise with this one, there's 55 and so on. There's 155 on this one. But I want to just show you exactly what it is. So you can see here on this one, if I click on the view, what it does is it actually opens up the tweet analysis. Now, you used to be able to go in and look at this under your more settings. You could go and you could do all of your measurement and analysis on all of your tweets. But this is a quick way of finding out what actually happens to your tweets. So it has had 253 impressions. It has 13 engagements as well on it. So it's an easy way to actually find out how your tweets are doing. So it's a great way to measure your content, and then obviously as you start to look at it and start to see it, it means that you can really understand what people want to see on your Twitter feed. And hopefully this will give you a little bit more insight into the content that you should be pushing out on Twitter. And the great thing about this is you can also then view other people's feeds and see what their engagements are on this one. So for instance, Fiona Walsh, she has 315 views on this particular tweet. Mark Walsh, 320, and the list goes on, and you can see some people have and some people haven't. So it's a great way for you to understand what works on your Twitter feed. So just going back to my profile, you can see here that there, as I said, there is a load of people, like say 71 views on that, 251 as we spoke about. So it's a great way of being able to measure and understand what people want from your content. So I would have a look at your own Twitter feed and see how it works for you. So guys, I hope this information was of value to you, and don't forget, if you want to find out more about me, you can connect with me across all of the social media platforms, including Twitter, and also on Facebook, and also on LinkedIn, and also on YouTube and Instagram, and on TikTok as well. And if you want to find out more about the services that I provide, visit the website at thedigitalmentor.ie, and you'll find out all the information about all the courses that I provide and all of the services as well, and the mentorship programs that I can help you with as well. Okay, if you want to get in contact with me directly, you can email me at alan@thedigitalmentor.ie. I'd love to hear from you. Tell us what I can help you with, and hopefully we can connect soon as well. I'd also like to take this opportunity to remind you about a brand new course that is starting later this month here with the Digital Mentor. It is called the Digital Marketing Jigsaw Puzzle, and it is a 5-week course with a 1 hour live session on Zoom every week with me, and where I will be discussing and talking about a number of different options of what you can do. We'll be covering topics like digital mindset. We're covering topics like audio and visual, content creation, social media, and also a number of other bonus features as well. So if you want to find out more information about the course, visit the website at thedigitalmentor.ie/digital puzzle course. And I'll put a link as well in the comments as well below, so you can view that there as well. And that is about our lot for today. So hopefully you will go and you will have a little bit more investigation into Twitter and look at your stats and your analysis on the Twitter feed now that you can do it directly from your home feed on Twitter as well. I hope this is of benefit to you. I shall talk to you soon. As I always say, be social. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.